Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 2000 Noida, 5 rupees, 200. 2002 Noida, 100. 2002 Noida, National Integration, BU condition 300. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, UNC condition, Kolkata 200. Jawaharlal Nehru, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition 200. This is 1 rupee coin. Nehru, Hindi legend, Mumbai Mint, UNC. English legend, Mumbai Mint, UNC 200. Hindi legend is for 100. 91 Mumbai, 100. Railways Bolu, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 200. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, very scarce coin, only for 500, extra fine condition. Indira Gandhi, BU Mumbai Mint, 100. 87 Mumbai Mint, UNC, 100. Grow More Food, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 200. 1990 Hyderabad Mint, 1 rupee for 100. This is a set. 84 Mumbai, 85 84, yeah, 85 Mumbai and 86 Mumbai. 3 coin for 300 rupees set. 84, 85, 86 Mumbai Mint. 2003 Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 100. Santa Dhaneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 200. Kolkata, Hindi legend and English legend, set for 300. Set for 200. This take it for 200 today. Even that other Mumbai Mint also 200 set. Asian Games, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 10 paise, 300. Railways Hyderabad, BU condition, 500. Black Beauty, Mumbai Mint, Basaveshwar, single mint coin, this is 400. 2004 Hyderabad Mint, UNC, National Integration, 200. Jayaprakash Narayana, BU condition, Hyderabad, 200. 1957 Kolkata, 25 paise, 200. 57 Kolkata, 300. 59 and 52. 59 for 200, 57 for 300. This is a single mint coin. Sorry. It's a first 25 paise. 1977 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare 10 paise. This is 700. Hyderabad Mint, Commonwealth Game, BU condition, 200. Commonwealth Game, Noida Mint, BU condition, 200. 67 extra fine condition, rare coin, this is Mumbai Mint, 800. Youth Year Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 600. Madan Mohan Malviya, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 600. Mahatma Gandhi, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Food and Environment, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 600. 2006 Noida Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, this is cross coin, 300. ILO Hyderabad, AUNC condition, 600. 47 Mumbai Mint UNC condition 400. Supreme Court BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 400. Small Pharma Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Kamraj BU condition Hyderabad Mint 400. Quit India Movement Kolkata Mint UNC condition 500. Youth Year Kolkata Mint BU condition 600. Half rupee 1946 Mumbai Mint 400 with mild rotation. World Food Day Mumbai Mint BU condition, very scarce coin, only for 800. Aurobindo Kolkata Mint BU condition, D Lion variety, this is a D Lion 500. Food and Environment BU condition Mumbai Mint 400. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel AUNC condition with a clear mint mark, see the mint mark, AUNC condition with mild ghost image also there, you can see the ghost image, only for 1400. Subhash Chandra Bose BU condition Hyderabad Mint, this is a error coin, little error also there, I'll show you. You see here die crack error here, this is one die crack here, 2-3 die cracks are there. 1 minute, I'll just zoom it. See here the one die crack, here one die crack, and this here one die crack is there. I'll show you properly. Here this is one die crack here, from here to here, and one more is here. See here one small is here. Only for 1600 rupees. Okay. Here one is there die crack. UNC condition Safer Development Kolkata Mint 500. Food and Work Mumbai Mint BU condition 400. ILO Mumbai Mint UNC condition 800. Happy Child Hyderabad Mint BU condition 700. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500. ICDS Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 700. Half rupees 56, this is for 100 rupees, 200 it is written, but it is for 100 rupees only. Forestry for Development Kolkata Mint UNC condition 800. 1967 Mumbai Mint, rare coin this is, AUNC condition only for 2100. ILO Noida Mint BU condition 1200. Deshbandhu Noida Mint B Lion variety, this is BU condition 500. Head type 1 rare coin, this is 1940 young head. You can see this spike is up near the touching the crown up. This is the type 1 head, this is This is a rare coin, only for 1600 rupees. Quarter rupee, head variety. Biodiversity, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 1200. Small family, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. Food for future, UNC, Hyderabad Mint, 800. United Nation, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition, 300. Small family, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 500. Quarter rupee, 39B, UNC condition with rotation, only for 1200. Very low mintage this is. Quarter rupee, 46, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 300. There are some 50 paise, 68 Mumbai, 200. 63 Mumbai, 200. 62 Mumbai, 200. 61 Mumbai, 200. 64 Kolkata, single mint coin, 300. 62 Kolkata, it is extra fine, 200. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, 800. Tilak ki BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 1700. See the clear lion, clear legend and clear lion variety. See the face, everything is clear. Forestry, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 900. 42 Mumbai Mint, UNC, 1000. Now silver price is gone up, and to get in UNC condition very difficult nowadays. Quarter rupee, 1945 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700. 47 1 rupee UNC, Lahore Mint, this is 1800. Half rupee, 1936 Kolkata Mint, 1100. It's a low mintage coin only, but book is saying common. Quarter rupee, 44 Lahore Mint, UNC condition, 900. Quarter rupee, 44 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700. 44 Lahore Mint, 1200 with mild rotation. 45 Lahore Mint, 1200. These are UNC condition. 39 Kolkata matured head. I already showed you all how to see mature head and young head. Only 2200 rupees, head variety. Food for future, Kolkata Mint, UNC, 1000. Nehru, this is a clear dot, Noida Mint variety, clear dot variety. You can see the dot very clear here. UNC condition, this is rare coin, only for 5k. 1883 Mumbai Mint, 3000. Moscow Mint, F Lion, 2000 for 1700 rupees. Veer Durgadas UNC set coin, rare, this is for 3000. Agri Expo UNC Mumbai Mint, 800. 45 Lahore, 1200. This is AUNC type of condition. Half rupee, 33 Kolkata, 1400. Quarter rupee 43 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This has a ghost image. I'll try to show the ghost image. See the ghost image. There, his face is there, nose and all you can see there. It's a ghost image coin. Only for 800 rupees. 1939 Calcutta Mint. 1600. You see the condition. UNC to UNC type of condition. $19.15 top condition. Mumbai Mint, rare coin. Check the details. Very clear details. Mumbai Mint is rare. Calcutta Mint is also rare, but Mumbai Mint is more rare. Only for 3,400 rupees top condition. $1888 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. For 2,500 rupees. 25th anniversary Calcutta Mint, BU condition coin. This is. Check the clarity, details. Only for 3,000. 1943 large head variety. This is head variety coin. Check here. This is a large head. You can say mature head. Sorry, large head. This you can see. Only for 2,000. Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 25th anniversary. 2,800. Some lion variety I have. 1991 lion set. Parliamentary, 91 parliamentary. Only for 800 rupees. Different lion. Bolu Mumbai Mint lion set. C1 lion and C2 lion, 400. BU condition coin. This is. Quarter rupee, 1944 Mumbai Mint set. This is 1,600 rupees. This is a set head variety. Sorry, this is a reverse B. Reverse B. This is a normal coin. I'll show you how to see this normal coin and reverse B. What is the reverse B? Some people think reverse B is the B is printed reverse. It's not B printed reverse. Reverse B means this is a reverse. This is normal coin. See this. This whole die is different. I'll show you. You see here. You see the style of it. Alphabets. And see here the style of alphabets. And see this side of E. There's a dot. It's close. And see here it is far. And see this flower. This I'm trying to show you easy way to see. But its whole die is a different die. See this flower. And see this flower. So this is a A type. This is a A type. And this is a B type. This is obverse and this is called reverse. So this is the normal and this is a reverse B. It comes in 1 rupee also. And I have some Bolus there. This is early strike. Only for 500 rupees. Early strike sharp head variety. Just for 500 rupees. And this I have some lot. Basveshwara Shivaji, all Noida and Mumbai all mix. Very scarce coins. AUNC type, AUNC2 like, yeah, extra fine to more than extra fine plus to AUNC type condition. There are some coin. This is only for 900 rupees. These all very scarce coins. See, rainfed farming is there. Some are Noida and some are Mumbai. Only for 900 rupees. Very reasonable price. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.